students, want to be a change maker? You can join the Social Internship program at Kotak Education Foundation. Our program provides an unparalleled set of opportunities for all students globally to 1. Gain a hands-on experience, 2. Create a social network with professionals, and 3. To have cross-cultural experience and skills. Whether you're ready to experience a whole new horizon of opportunities, or if you want to complement your own academic profile, the Social Internship at Kotak Education Foundation is the way to go. Our program has been designed to give you a transformative experience in a global setting to shape your future endeavors. You can intern with us any time in the year, starting from the end of your semesters till the winter breaks as well. So if you're ready to be a change maker, you can share your CVs to us on the email that you can see on the screen. So be a part of Kotak Education Foundation to make a difference together.